It's Sunday night and you have a journal club on Tuesday. You are on slide 4 out of a 52 slides you have to build in the next 48 hours. And you're not learning anything yet. All you're doing is just like copy pasting from the paper you're presenting to the PowerPoint, and you're controlling the size of the title and the body and the fonts. But MeDucation AI will help you. MeDucation AI built specifically for hematology oncology fellows because we know that you give lectures, journal clubs, and you teach others. And medicine is all about see one, do one, teach one. Go to MeDucation AI, upload the paper that you will present, one PDF or even multiple. Then click on build a lecture, choose the number of the slides, and you can give custom instructions. Otherwise, the AI will build the structure for you, and then click on build a lecture. Once you build a lecture, you will have the initial skeleton. You can control the title size, the body size, the animation, and you can turn any slide into an image to make your slides powerful and rich. Once you're done, download as a PowerPoint, and then voila, you have a PowerPoint presentation ready. You spend 30 minutes on creating your PowerPoint instead of 4 hours, and you spend 3 hours in learning what you're going to present instead of just dull copy pasting. The deck was never the work. Learning the paper well enough to teach others is the work.